Manipur update na Sindana Beyond Media Conclave Pangtokre, Imphal Hotel ki Sangai Hall ta Pangtokiba Thauramada DIPR ki Director K. Subhas, Manipur update ki Founding Editor Sabapati Samom, Tan Hills ki Joint Director Ngangom Uttam, Amju ki President Asem Vaktana Thoiba Mithung Lane Singh Oina Saruyaki, Thauramada Paumi Singda Manakaya Su Yentoki, Mana Fonglaba Paumi Singatudi Digital Journalist of the Year 2026, Vangamla Sala KS Ismojo Promising Digital Journalist Award 2026 Naurem Tanoranjan Ijel News Network Distinguished Service in Digital Journalism Award 2026 Sobapati Samom Senior Journalist Best Credible Digital Media Page Channel 2026 Wari Singbul Amadi Jury Sois Digital Journalism Award 2026 Revika Merangthem HY News ni
journalists unique challenge someone face face first then first it can spoil the career of so many business officer dilemma first right or critical bold responsible journalism sometimes there is a very thin line between normal journalism and digital journalism and issues I see journalist and digital journalist YouTube blogger content creator toroga monetize the way anaba sensationalize the way anaba in a toy habisiki achobo question anusu zik lai tabnati hai si thok tabnati fani am thodi digital journalists in some reporters factor koi dramani ba they need to check fake ma misinformation ma check to bada katai adagi appointment yakan pamjab jai one example so ka bizarre ke I support what he said because we was on the other side, the government issue may face irresponsible unverified report covers the officers in the image tarnish mental pressure the next discuss I believe it is now the right time. I example of irresponsible fake and figures check 10 years muki mamang diwali aina thengari yamna manipuri newspaper 5 days continuously run the report kamaina run together constitutional post wife OBC certificate para kamaina no